These are all the equipments that which we used in our classroom. We have laptop and also mobile phone, and at the same time we have mouse and also headset is there, and speakers are very clearly exhibited here, and also we have tripod stand, the first one, and the second one is here, and we have light, tripod's light is the first one here, first one, and second one is this one, and at the same time we used stands for this purpose, it means standing purpose, and the first one, this is the second one. All these are all the regularly that which we are using in our classrooms.
Let us begin the class. In the class, we will learn Vedic system of education. That is, Vedic Indian system of education. So, mainly, we will learn this Vedic system. Before 600 BC, in the last mainly, we classify Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharvaveda. Rigveda is mainly importance of the prayers in the piano. Other Yajurveda rituals, sacrifices, and full importance of the color. Samaveda period music importance of Atharvaveda, change music, mainly Vedic system of education. Type of system first Guru Shishyan. Maybe a Vedic system Guru, other than Shishyan other education system teacher, students